Hello, and welcome to Leal's Indoor RV Storage, San Jose's new and largest indoor storage facility. With convenient access from Highway 101, you'll enjoy the easy loading and worry-free valet parking. As you know, indoor storage prevents the need for many unnecessary repairs in the future and gives you great savings in return. Come see the 55,000 square feet of safe and secure indoor storage for your home on wheels. At $6 per linear foot, you'll avoid the costly depreciation all vehicles experience as they weather in the sun and seasonal elements. Eliminate roof cracking, tire rot, water seepage, rust, paint oxidation, bleaching, and insect and rodent invasions. Leal's Indoor Storage is easy to find in San Jose, California. It's near the fairgrounds at 2070 South 7th Street. Let the experts of RV service repair, store, maintain, and travel prep your home on wheels. Thanks for your time and see you soon.